Mihang'o ya arutwo a grade ya gatandatu gucagura thukuru riu eguthii nambere nginyagia tariki 10 mweri wa kenda thutha wa ministry ya githomo kwongerera ihinda ria thiku 10. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria irathi cia CBC thukuru-ini wa Kimunyu Gatundu ya rugongo, Minister wa githomo George Magoha augite ni gukoretwo na nditi mihang'o-ini no ona kuhanura uguo akiuga gutire murutwo ukuhingiririo.
By the 10th of September, if your child has not selected the school, now it becomes your own problem. I would want to encourage those who have not selected to continue to select after consultation, and that this is not going to be a hiccup, it's not going to be a challenge, because even, for example, with the elections in Kakamega and Mombasa, the children will then have extra time for the week that we have added, a week with the standard deviation, which is making it about 10th of September.
O muruto aracagura thukuru 12 iria igayanitio na ikiro, thukuru 2 thiini wa gikiro kia national, thukuru 2 thiini wa gikiro kia regional, thukuru 2 thiini wa gikiro gia county, sub county thukuru 4 na thukuru 2 thiini wa gikiro kia thukuru cia andu kiumbe.
The majority of schools in this country, 75% plus, are day schools. So we are encouraging the parents to encourage their children, after consulting with their teachers, they should select day schools near them. For the private school sector, which is a significant part of our own life right now, I think most of their children will remain in their schools, because quite a large number of them have conformed to what we require.
Arutwo milioni 1,268,800 830 niyo maraingira thukuru-ini cia junior secondary mwaka ukite wona meka kigeranio kiria kihaririirio muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu. Akiaria ciĩgiĩ arutani anene aria maraingata arutwo ni undu wa marihi ma thukuru, Magoha ni orotete murutani munene thukuru-ini wa Mbukumu kaunti-ini ya Kakamega akiuria afitha wa githomo kaunti-ini no gutigirira arutwo othe aria maraingatitwo thukuru-ini ucio ni macoka thukuru.
If the school leader is very keen on getting money from parents, he has the power, together with my officers on the ground, to summon the Parent Teachers Association so that they are able to deal with the financial issues without interrupting the children's short period.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.